sunlit days, one thing stays the same. Rises the moon. Days fade into a watercolor blur. Memories swim and haunt you, but look into the lake, shimmering like smoke. Rises the moon. Oh, close your weary eyes. I promise you that soon the autumn comes to darken fading summer skies. Breathe, breathe, pull you down just like a sinking ship. Floating is getting harder, but tread the water, child, and know that meanwhile rises the moon. Days pull you up just like a daffodil, uprooted from its garden. They'll tell you what you owe, but no, even so, rises the moon. You'll be visited by sleep. I promise you that soon the autumn comes to steal away each dream you keep. Easy, babe, if you believe me, I guess I'll get on a plane, fly to your city, excited to see your face. Hold me, console me, and then I'll leave without a trace. Come on, don't leave me, it can't be that easy, babe. If you believe me, I guess I'll get on a plane, fly to your city, excited to see your face. Hold me, console me, then I'll leave without a trace. Come on, don't leave me, it can't be that easy, babe. If you believe me, I guess I'll get on a plane, fly to your city. 짙어진 그림자는 don't know how to. 눈을 감으면 잠시 세상은 without you, without you. I know 꿈처럼 다가와 난 한눈에 알아본 그 여름에 날 기억해 내 맘을 채워준 summer rain. I know 가만히 찾아들어 서로를 안았던 like the eye of a hurricane. A daisy cut in the summer rain. I know you're the one to hold me so close, yeah. 조그맣고 연약한 아이만 꺾이지 않게 날 버텨냈던 밤 모두 지켜줄게. 불안한 그 변덕 속 널 알아. 홀로 견디던 외로움은 don't know how to. 시길 멈추면 잠시 세상은 without you, without you. I know 꿈처럼 다가와 난 한눈에 알아본 그 여름에 날 기억해 내 맘을 채워준 summer rain. I know 가만히 찾아들어 서로를 안았던 like the eye of a hurricane. A daisy cut in the summer rain. I 이 여름의 끝이 와도 불안한 예보 끝에 쉼없이 내게 온 너의 긴 밤에 머물게. 스스히 내리는 summer rain. 차가운 어떤 손도 날 밀어내지 않게 너의 이름을 부를게. Daisy cut in the summer rain. I'm the one to hold you so close, yeah. Here we are, quiet at your kitchen table, with courtesy to little pet peeves. Napkins on laps, strands pulled back. I hang the scarf in my mom's in a rack. Why do I tell you how I feel when you're just looking down a blouse? It's something I wouldn't say out loud. If touch could make them hear, then touch me now. If touch could make them hear, then touch me now. Talking to some who laugh and others scorn. I guess humor could help me after all. It's funny now, I'm just useless and a whore, but I get a cosign from your favorite one-man show. Why do I tell you how I feel when you're too busy looking down a blouse? It's something I wouldn't say out loud. touch could make them hear, then touch me now. If touch could make them hear, then touch me now. If touch could make them hear, then touch me now. My God, I'm so lonely, so I open the window to hear sounds of people, to hear sounds of people. Venus, planet of love, was destroyed by global warming. Did its people want too much too? Did its people want too much? And I don't want your pity, I just want somebody near me. Guess I'm a coward, I just want to feel alright. And I know no one will save me, I just need someone to kiss. Give me one good honest kiss and I'll be alright. Nobody, 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 nobody. Ooh, nobody, nobody, nobody. I've been big and small and big and small and big and small again, and still nobody wants me. Still nobody wants me, and I know no one will save me. I'm just asking for a kiss. Give me one good movie kiss and I'll be alright. Nobody, 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 nobody. Ooh, nobody, 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 nobody. Nobody, 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 nobody,
You were riding your bike to the sound of It's No Big Deal, and you're trying to lift off the ground on those old two wheels. Nothing about the way that you were treated ever seemed especially alarming till now. So you tie up your hair and you smile like it's no big deal. You can let it go. You can throw a party full of everyone you know. Not invite your family 'cause they never showed you love. You don't have to be sorry for leaving and growing up. Matilda, you talk of the pain like it's all alright. But I know that you feel like a piece of you's dead inside. You showed me a power that is strong enough to bring sun to the darkest days. It's none of my business, but it's just been on my mind. You can let it go. You can throw a party full of everyone you know. Not invite your family 'cause they never showed you love. You don't have to be sorry for leaving and growing up. You can see the world, following the seasons, anywhere you go. You don't need a reason 'cause they never showed you love. You don't have to be sorry for doing it on your own. You're just in time, make your tea and your toast. You framed all your posters and dyed your clothes. Ooh, you don't have to go. You don't have to go home. Oh, there's a long way to go. I don't believe that time will change your mind. In other words, I know they won't let you anymore as long as you can let them go. You can let it go. You can throw a party full of everyone you know. You can start a family who will always show you love. You don't have to be sorry for doing it on your own. You can let it go. You can throw a party full of everyone you know. You can start a family who will always show you love. You don't have to be sorry, no.
Are you lonely? Our fingers dancing where they meet. You seem so lonely. I'll be the only dream you seek. So if you're lonely, no need to show me. If you're lonely, come be lonely with me. Lonely, passing
If you take too long to hit me back, I can't promise you how I react, but all I can say is at least I'll wait for you. Lately I've been on a roller coaster, trying to get a hold of my emotions, but all that I know is I need you close, and I'ma scream and shout for what I love. Passionate but I don't give no fucks. I admit that I'm a little messed up, but I can hide it when I'm all dressed up. I'm obsessive and I love to hunt, good at overthinking with my heart. How you even think it got this far, this far? I can be needy, way too damn needy. I can be needy. Tell me how good it feels to be needed. I can be needy, so hard to please me. I know it feels so good to be needed. Sorry if I'm up and down a lot. Sorry that I think I'm not enough. And sorry if I say sorry way too much. You can go ahead and call me selfish, but after all this damage I can't help it. But what you can trust is I need your touch. I'ma scream and shout for what I love. Passionate but I don't give no fucks. I admit that I'm a little messed up, but I can hide it when I'm all dressed up. I'm obsessive and I love to hunt, good at overthinking with my heart. How you even think it got this far, this far? And I can be needy, way too damn needy. I can be needy. Tell me how good it feels to be needed. I can be needy, so hard to please me. I know it feels so good to be needed. Help me when I'm at a loss for words. Bring up all my memories, for the please and the temporal. False loving when I was illogical. Didn't know they held each other's hand as they made one whole. Brainstem yells temperature, arise now. Sweat rain drops down my silky flesh, battering up my consciousness. Quick now, ability to sleep sound throughout the star times, an illusion if you just remove it. When did humans start to separate brain and heart as if they couldn't stay alive alone? Flip it around the other way. If they were apart and you had no power start or no database, only a shell remains. What fun is it to be so calculated or be taken advantage of? 'Cause your heart's to trust in silent expressed. Push my hand into my chest, bind them up forever wet. Don't drift too far, they said. Help me when I'm too detached and cold. Give me the vitality that I need to trust love more. Blood to the water, neither can fuel us alone. Fervency in my arteries, passion blooming through my bones. Heartstrings trigger emotions, dreams, agape loves, a journey. Red rivers connect all of me. But be it steadfast, don't you disappoint me. Sometimes I think you're all I need, wise beyond belief. When did humans start to separate brain and heart as if they couldn't stay
not believe your eyes if 10 million fireflies lit up the world as I fell asleep. 'Cause they fill the open air and leave teardrops everywhere. You'd think me rude, but I would just stand and stare. I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. 'Cause I get 1,000 hugs from 10,000 lightning bugs as they tried to teach me how to dance. A foxtrot above my head, a sock hop beneath my bed. A disco ball is just hanging by a thread. I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. Leave my door open just a crack. Please take me away from here, 'cause I feel like such an insomniac. Please take me away from here. Why do I tire of counting sheep? Please take me away from here, when I'm far too tired to fall asleep. To 10 million fireflies, I'm weird 'cause I hate goodbyes. I got misty eyes as they said farewell, but I'll know where several are if my dreams get real bizarre, 'cause I saved a few and I keep them in a jar. I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, because my dreams are bursting at the seams.